Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a cute cat. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start here in the middle of the paper by doing the eyes. We are gonna do a letter U, an upside down letter U. And I'm passing the marker twice so you make it thicker. Now I'm putting my finger here to leave a space. You can put your finger like this. And now let's do the other one next to it. Okay, just like that. Now I'm doing the nose right here in the middle of the two eyes, a super tiny triangle, and two letter U's for the mouth. Okay, now for whiskers, I'm doing 3 lines. One is pointing to the top, one is in the middle, and one goes down. Let's do it again here. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. Now here in the left side, I want to start here with the paw and another one right here. So let's do another upside down letter U. This one is wider. Let's do another one right here. And now on the bottom, we're going to put 3 letter U's that goes together, just like this. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to do here a line in between the paws, just like this. And next to it, I'm going to do teeny tiny lines, you see, right here. And another one on the right side. Okay, now let's continue with the face. I'm doing curved lines that goes up. Here, one. And the other one goes here, just like this. And now I'm doing here lines for the cat. So let's do triangles inside of his face, just to give him more texture. And the next step is here the hat, where we're gonna start with the ear right here. I'm doing a triangle, goes up, comes down, and inside that we're gonna do another one, a little one. And now let's join these two with a line that is slightly curvy, just like this. Now let's go down a little bit on his face, doing a curved line, and now I'm gonna join that with the ear. Okay, to finish the hat, let's do the pom-pom on the end. So here on the left side next to his face, right here, I'm gonna put that. So that looks like letter U's to go together in a circle. Just like that. And I wanna add here a curved line. So here and behind the ear, let's add a little bit of the hat, just like a square. And from this point, I'm gonna go to the pom-pom. So let's go slow, doing a curved line that goes up and come back down. There. Okay, now let's do the boot. And from this little line we did, we're gonna do a curved line that goes down, curved line that goes down. And now let's join these two with a line, just like this. Now let's go back to the left side. We're gonna go in a little and then we're gonna go down. And here we're gonna start going curvy, just like this, you see? Now on this side, we're gonna go down farther. We're gonna go down, down, down. And now we start going curvy, going to the left. See? Now let's join these two with a curved line. So go curvy and then go straight. Just like that. To finish the boot, let's do 3 more things. Let's do here a curved line that goes down and down. So 1 and 2. And the third thing is gonna be here the handle, kind of like where the boot is gonna be hanging. Just like a curve and a line inside. And there, that's it, we finished. Here is where you can stop the video if you wanna catch up with something we did, or you just wanna finish it. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.